share with you some of my Easter decorations. I don't know about you guys, but I love Easter so much. I love all the pastel colors and I just love how girly it is. So if you love Easter too and you want to learn how I decorated, then just keep on watching. So you walk into my room, and yes, I'm wearing a dress with slippers. You get this. This is an overview of my room. I need to get more of those fairy lights because it just makes my room super magical. Over here, I just have this DIY hat project that I made. I basically just upcycled a dress and cut it and hot glued it all around this Dollar Tree hat. And yes, I really love how this came out, and it looks super shabby chic and magical. And this is what my little vanity corner looks like. I know it's not a actual vanity because I do not have a mirror, but that's what I call it because that's basically just like where everything is and where all my makeup is. So down in this corner, I just have this little Walt Disney World mug that I repainted, and then I have one of those diamond bookshelf ends on the end, even though I don't use it for books. And then over here, I have this vintage Peter Pan collar. It's just super adorable, and I got this at a flea market. This is just a closer look at the vintage Peter Pan collar. It's super adorable. Do not mind my nails. I've been doing a lot of painting, and I need to get them done. So yes, this is the Peter Pan collar and like a little jewelry box. I absolutely love these fairy lights. They're super cute. And then over here, I did this little DIY project where I flipped like one of those grid book like divider things. I don't really know what it's called, but I have just seen a lot of this stuff similar on TikTok, and I decided to like just repurpose it. I don't know, I really like the way it looks. And then over here, I repurposed this room spray bottle, and I just painted it a pastel dusty pink color, and I Mod Podged this label on, and it basically just says Cream of Roses. It's super cute, and it's on my Pinterest if you are interested in the board printouts. Over here, I just have some of my perfumes. Oh my gosh, I love how this tray, like vanity kind of perfume tray, came out. It's super adorable and like so elegant. Oh, I love this so much. And then I have a pearl necklace down here, and as well as this feather pen that I got from Savers. Over here, I just have this little vanity tray mirror thing that I repainted and upcycled from the thrift store. And then I had this little macaroon case. I don't have anything in here, but I should be putting stuff in like earrings or eyelashes. And then over here, I just have my YSL perfume and this little, oh my god, my hands are so dirty from the paint. And then over here, I just have this little candlestick holder. It's super elegant. And then right on over here, I have some of my acrylic drawers that I got from Target. I just have some goodies in there. I'll just quickly show you what's inside. And then up here, I just have my Cocoa Rose Fudge by Truly Organic. And I also have this Truly Organic eye candy face cream. And then here is where the Easter decorations begin. This little train is like a wind-up planter. It's super spring and it's just so adorable. I just use this to organize my makeup brushes. You can use it for a plant or whatever you would like to use it for. And then I have this little vintage bunny trio over here. I don't know what it says on the bottom. It's called Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. That is super cute. I really love this. And then over here, I just have this donut candle that I got from Dollar Tree, a little photo album, as well as this Jack and Jill vintage book. And then up here, I just have this vanity tray that I got from the dollar store, and I just painted and glittered the wooden letters from the Dollar Tree as well, and I painted a Dollar Tree flower, and I love how this came out. It looks super magical and elegant. And then over here I have this plant. It's like a fake plant and I just painted the bottom pink. It's super cute and it's originally from Pottery Barn, but I got it at Goodwill. And then this is another Easter decoration. I actually raided my mom's Easter decorations and decided to make a video on it, like decorating my room and such. And then I just have this Paris poster from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. And then over here I just have my Marie Antoinette tea, the Marie Antoinette trinket tub, as well as a bouquet of flowers in the back. Right on over here I have my vintage painting. I don't really know if it's vintage or not, but it's super cute. I'm gonna get a closer look at this. This is my favorite thrifted find ever. It's just super cute. And then you back up and you get this Victoria's Secret 2015 robe that I actually thrifted as well. And then down here is my little Audrey collection. I have like way more, but it's just a little Audrey corner. I have this Audrey Hepburn book as well as this Audrey Hepburn Barbie. Super cute. And then below that I just have this breakfast in bed trinket tray. It's super cute. I got this at TJ Maxx a long time ago. And then I store some of my nail supplies and some other goodies in the one below. To be honest, I don't even know what's in this box below, but that's okay. And then down over here is this perfume bottle, and I actually thrifted this, but I didn't even realize that this part was broken. It's like totally squished, but that's okay, it's still cute. And then over here is my little Easter corner. It's super cute. I just have my Audrey Hepburn picture frame over here. And then down here is my absolute favorite. I have the birthday cake skinny syrup. And then I have this little bunny in the middle. It's just super cute. And then these carrots are from the Dollar Tree. I really like the carrots and like they're just only $1. I need to get more. And then I have these little cups. They're like little mini cups. They're super adorable. And I love this little like organizing thing to like actually hold them into place. It's super cute. This is my little coffee corner. I really love the way this looks. And this little pink hedgehog is just super adorable. I got him last year, I believe, at TJ Maxx. And then in this corner, I just have this really old decoration that my mom actually gave to me. And then I have my pink Keurig from Target. And I really didn't know what to do with this egg, so I decided to leave it here. And it looks kind of cute, so I'm just gonna leave it. And then I have these little eggs from the Dollar Tree. I'm honestly gonna leave them in the packaging because I actually like the way that it looks. Then I have my Prince Rae Dunn mug. The princess one is actually in the dishwasher. And I have my little cloud from the Dollar Tree, and I also have another one back there. And I also have this little mug over here that I use to organize my remote and pens and just little things, little knick-knacky things that I just don't want to be out. In the back I just have this Walt Disney's Grandpa Bunny Golden Book. And then I have this Mrs. Potts little container that I don't really know what to put in it yet. And this lampshade I actually got from the thrift store. It's super cute. So moving on, this is my bed. It's super cozy and comfortable. And I have these little DIY projects I made from the Dollar Tree and just hung them up on command hooks. I just have my Disney frames up here as usual, and over here I decided to change it up a bit. I just have my mugs, and I also have this La Vie and Rose hat, as well as this bunny up here. It's just super cute. And then over in this corner is just all Easter decorations. This is like the main part of my Easter decor. Super cute and girly. So I'm gonna get a little closer. This is a dress on a pearl hanger. It's just a vintage Jessica McClintock dress. This is a DIY Easter project that I did a while ago. It's super cute. And then down here is my favorite part. It's super cute. It's just like this little spring ceramic house canister thing that I thrifted, as well as this little mouse doodad, I don't know what it's called, like a knick-knack. And then I just have those carrots again and some more Easter eggs from the Dollar Tree, some champagne glasses, and my favorite vintage inspired box in the back. And I have this little pillbox hat from the 50s and some really jeweled, you know, heels. They're super cute and they're Badgley Mishkas. So down here, I just have my confetti cake pop collection. This is super cute. Like, this is such a cute photo. I just put this confetti cake pop spray in this little decoration. It's super adorable. And then down over here is just all my shoes. And this is where I take some of my photos as well in one of these boxes. It's super spring and vintage. And then down here, I just have these like really old decorations from Home Goods. They're like super old, but they're so adorable. And I thought that they would look perfect next to these like spring inspired boxes that I got at the thrift store. They're so cute. And then this is the other one. I really love these. They're super adorable. And everything just looks so girly and I'm just totally ready for spring. So this side of my room is not really that aesthetic, but I decided to add this little doily. I don't even know, it's not even called a doily, it's just like a little, I don't know what it's called. Let me know in the comments down below if you know what it's called. But I decided to add this vase from the Dollar Tree as well as some roses inside. It just makes it look so, you know, shabby chic and maybe a little bit of farmhouse chic. And then I have my favorite purse over here. It's just super gorgeous and it is a Chanel Jumbo dupe and is 100% vegan. So if you want the link to that purse, I will leave it down below. So over here I just have my TV, nothing too fabulous. And I have a bunch of knickknacks over here. I think I'm actually going to move this candle somewhere else, so I'm just gonna leave it over here for now because like it kind of takes away from my favorite decorations. So this is my favorite decoration of all time. It's so cute and I will never get rid of this. Just so adorable. And I have this Joseph Originals 11, you know, figurine, super cute. Still has a tag, and this Eiffel Tower from the Dollar Tree, as well as the Champagne Toast body lotion. And I have this cute vintage candle holder. I really love little knickknacks like that. And I also came across this at the Dollar Tree. I was going to get some food there and I just had to pick this up. It's super adorable. I love this. It's like so perfect. They never have anything like this at the Dollar Tree and I needed to pick this up. Well guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all of my decorations and I hope you get some sort of inspiration on what to look for next Easter when you can actually go shopping. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming content, and also don't forget to follow all of my social media. Everything will be linked down below as usual, and I will see you guys in my next lovely video.